Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland. In this tutorial, you will learn how easily you can inline edit the regular price, sale price, and stock quantity fields for variations in WooCommerce by getting help from the WooCommerce bulk variation editing plugin with some examples. Example number 1. Suppose that you need to inline edit the regular price of large green products with their price being in the range of $20 to $100. Alright, let's get right into it. First of all, click on the filter icon on the toolbar to open the filter form. Then open Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab. And then you're gonna select Green and Large from the drop-down list of the product color and product size fields respectively. Then go to the Pricing tab. Type 20 and 100 in the regular price field, and then go ahead and click on Get Products to filter them. Now you can see the list of filtered products in the table, and what you're gonna do is mark them in the table and then click on the Manage Variations option. The next thing you're gonna do is click on the regular price cell. For example, type 50 and press enter, and as you can see, the price has been changed. Example number 2. Suppose that you need to set a new sale price for this variation as well. So click on Sell again, and let's type 30 this time. And you can also use a built-in calculator to make some changes in the regular price and sale price. And we did describe how to use the calculator to change the variation price in another video titled How to Change the Price of a Variable Product on WooCommerce. So you can watch it in our channel. Example number 3. Inline editing the stock quantity of the same variation. You can click on the stock quantity cell and type the quantity. And you can also use the up and down arrow to increase or decrease the quantity. And finally, by pressing enter on your keyboard, the values you set in each cell of this table will be directly displayed on the product page.